Riri ena iganda guku bururi-ini mathiete na mbere na gutetia thirikari kumana na nyongerera cia magoti, ngarama ya iguru ya thitima na ukunderu wa kigina gia gukuria biashara. Thirikari niiraniire kugacirithia riera ria kuhura biashara makiria kuri ene iganda iria ithondekaga indo iria ikuragio kana cionekaga guku bururi-ini. One kuringana na andiki a karu honge-ini itiganite cia thirikari matongoretio ni Juma Muhwana wa Iganda hindi ya kurugurio kwa mitaratara ya kugacirithia urimi wa indo iria ihuthagirwo iganda-ini.
This dialogue is extremely important. I've looked at the manufacturing agenda that you have produced. It is very much in line with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. As a ministry, we shall support you, we shall do our part, but we are also urging you to do your part so that we make Kenya's manufacturing more globally competitive.
Kuringana na Muhwana hari na bata wa thirikari kunyitirira iganda niguo kugacirithia gukura kwa utonga wa bururi na guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi undu uria unyititwo mbaru ni murune wa biashara nini Susan Mangeni.
Let's import what we cannot make, and that is exactly the message that this government is sending, because every time you import, you export jobs for young people. Because if you are importing a finished product, it means somebody is making it for you in China, somebody is making it for you in India.
Our thinking is that if we expand the market to MSME, if we make market become more guaranteed, then MSMEs will operate well, their businesses will grow well, and will be able to expand the tax base. And maybe the pressure and the burden which they are feeling, the manufacturers are feeling at the top, will be eased, because now we'll have so many people in the ecosystem who are also contributing to our tax.
Mwana ni ongereire kuria ene iganda mekirire mitaratara ya kugitira arimi a guku bururi-ini kumana na mathogora moru makiria riria makuria indo kwa wingi niguo kuhotithia iganda kuguithia ngarama ya guthondeka indo.
Industry has a responsibility to create stable value chains. Agriculture is our supplier of raw materials, and the way it has worked here in Kenya, and I've been a farmer myself, is that you as industry buy from me my raw materials, but every time I produce more maize or more potatoes, you punish me. You push down the price. Then what happens? I stop producing.
Oho iganda ici ni ciuritio ihimbirie ngirimiti iria thirikari ikiraniire na mabururi maria mangi cia kwandandura thoko ya indo cia guku bururi-ini ta iria iriga gwikirwo kirore gatagati ga thirikari na urumwe wa mabururi ma Ruraya EU iria irihotithagia indo iria ikuragio kana guthondekerwo guku bururi-ini kwendio mabururi-ini 27 ma Ruraya. Mwena-ini wake Alex Wachira wa hinya wa kuhuthika niaraniire thirikari ni yambikite mitaratara ya kuguithia ngarama ya thitima iria ni umwe wa maundu maria matumite iganda nyingi cia guku bururi-ini ithamire mabururi-ini maria turiganitie.
Cost of power, what we are encouraging the manufacturers is to utilize what we call the time of use tariff. The time of use tariff is we are telling the manufacturers what you are producing during the day, try and double up that so that you also produce during the night, and that way you can be able to save as much as 25% of your cost of power.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV Njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.